Ассалаумағалейкум достар, сіздермен бірге қазақ ютубы додза. Сіздерге кішігірім конкурс өтейін деп жатырмын. Конкурс дегенде 1000 алмаз ойнататын болам. Шарттары өте оңай. Опцияда тұрған бірақ спонсорға тіркелесіздер біріншіден. Екіншіден комментарияға өздерінің АЙДИ игроктарын қалдырып кетесіздер. Үшіншіден конкурстың жауабы описанияда тұрған спонсорға кем дегенде 100 подписчиктен жиналса, сол кезде келесі видео шығатын болады. Келесі видеода конкурстың жауабын анықтайтын боламыз. Конкурстың жауабы пик деген сайт арқылы, комментарий арқылы анықтайтын боламыз. Видеоны көп созбай, алыншы видеоға кеттік. Бұл аккаунтқа келетін болсақ, бұл 2 жылдан бері ойнап келеткен олдысқа аккаунтым. Алатын адамдар болса, ссылка описанияда welcome'ды қалдырып кетем, сол жаққа жазыңыздар. Негізі нақты баға 15 деген, түспейтін баға жоқ, түсіріп көреміз енді. Ал ендеше көп созбай видеомызға кеттік, өлең қосып обзор жасайтын боламыз.
Everybody knows that I'm breaking down. Everybody knows I ain't faking now. Everybody knows my heart's vacant now. Yeah, she hates me now, I made mistakes but now I don't ever wanna be alone. I don't really ever feel at home. On my own, in the zone, that's the only way I know. Feeling low, about to blow back up. Here I won't ever let the doubt creep in. Gotta pop a couple more aspirin. I don't think I'll ever let you in. Easier to break it off best friends. I don't don't really understand myself. I don't really understand, need help. I don't wanna be left on the shelf. Couldn't even hear me if I yelled. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold. Break down, always feel like I could break now, but I never let it take me to that place now. I won't ever let my thoughts get away now. I got better things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way. Even when I'm feeling down, I fight. Even when I don't know what is right, I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shake me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold.
Say I make you nervous, a tragedy, I'm a beautiful disaster, a reckoning, you wonder how I got this way. You think I'm someone to be saved, someone to clean up and tame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You think I would look pretty on your arm once you cover up my bruises and battle scars, but it always ends the same. Can't bear the things I've had to face, got you crying on your knees in pain. Oh, some things never change, never change. Oh, you'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came. I stopped asking for forgiveness, cause you should know only fools tread where the angels fear to go, but you keep trying to get too close. Save myself by turning into stone, so save your judgment cause you just don't know. But some things never change, never change. Oh, they say I should feel guilty and change my ways, leaving crumpled bodies in my wake. Swear I didn't mean to make them break, swear I didn't mean to make them break. But they're so delicate and so mundane, and they keep coming like a moth to a flame. Oh, some things never change, never change. You'll break your back to make me feel again. Suffocate to make me breathe again. Lose your mind from endless pain. Some things never change, never change. Oh, redemption never came.
walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Ready to explore right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Аккаунт ұнады деген ойдамын. Тағы да айта кетейін, ВК страницам описаниеде тұратын болады. Адал түрде алатындар болса, келіп ВК страницама жазсаңыздар болады. Сіздермен болған қазақ ютубы Додза. Бәріңе рахмет. Всем пока.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.